Dark flow is a cosmic phenomenon associated with the unexplained movement of multiple galaxy clusters in the same direction. This flow of matter is believed to originate from an unknown source outside the observable universe and is one of the greatest mysteries of astrophysics. The standard cosmological model assumes that the universe is homogeneous and isotropic, meaning that physical properties should be the same regardless of their direction on large scales. However, observations have shown that galaxy clusters move in a preferred direction known as dark flow. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is known to be on a collision course with our nearest neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. In about 5 billion years, our galaxies will collide in a titanic confrontation, and if our descendants are around to witness the spectacle, it will be quite spectacular. In addition to this movement, both the Milky Way and Andromeda are moving toward the Virgo cluster, a dense cosmic city that contains about 1,000 galaxies. And that's not all. The Milky Way, Andromeda, the Virgo cluster itself, and all the other galaxies in a nearby patch of space are moving together toward an even larger cluster, the Norma cluster, located in a region of space known as the Great Attractor. This is where things get more complicated. The farther we get in our observations, the harder it becomes to pinpoint the movements of the galaxies. Also, astronomers are really good at measuring the motion of galaxies toward or away from us, based on the displacement of light from galaxies. But calculating motions in other directions is much more difficult, so one has to rely on computer modeling to make an educated guess. Although most observations of the larger universe support the uniformly expanding in all directions view, some inconsistencies have arisen. In some observations, there has been a tiny, barely perceptible movement that can be missed. It appears that many galaxies may be moving in a preferred direction, rather than just uniformly outward. This is how the research team found that clusters of galaxies are moving toward a region of the sky near the constellation Centauri at a speed of about 600 km/s. This motion is not explained by the gravitational pull of nearby structures or the expansion of the universe, leading to speculation that some other unknown force may be at work here. Various theories have been proposed to explain the dark flow. One is that it is caused by the gravitational attraction of massive structures outside the observable universe that pull clusters of galaxies in a particular direction. However, this explanation remains controversial because it is difficult to prove or disprove the existence of such structures. The scientific community is very fond of the dark, especially cosmology. This explains such names, but it is important to distinguish between the two for a full understanding. Dark flow, dark energy, and dark matter are three different but related phenomena that are currently at the forefront of modern astrophysical research. Many people have heard about the mysterious dark matter, and scientists have only heard so far, because to find it is not so easy. It does not interact with electromagnetic waves and is not visible through telescopes. But there is something that quite gives it away: gravitational influence on visible matter, such as galaxies and their clusters, and this confirms its presence. Dark matter makes up about 27% of all matter in the universe, while ordinary matter takes up only 5% and dark energy 68%. But its nature is still unknown. Dark energy, on the other hand, is responsible for the accelerated expansion of the universe. It acts as a repulsive force that counteracts gravity and makes the universe expand ever faster, but its nature also remains a mystery. Most researchers say that the dark flow originated in the earliest moments after the universe emerged. Astronomers believe it occurred just a fraction of a second after the Big Bang, even before the inflationary period, the brief time when the universe began to expand at an incredible rate. However, the nature and origin of this phenomenon is still a mystery and hidden beyond our observable universe. One model, based on string theory, offers an interesting variation that is consistent with all known facts. According to this model, our universe may have a twin universe that originated after the Big Bang and exists in parallel with ours. Despite much research, the nature and origin of the dark flow is still unclear. Further observations and studies of the large-scale structure of the universe are required to fully understand this intriguing phenomenon. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to learn more about space.